Hi, this simulation demonstrates the implementation of stack using list data structure. On the screen, the left hand side is the Python code for the stack which is implemented using list data structure, and you can see the various operations in the stacks are also mentioned like push, pop and search operation. Followed by you have a visualization area which visualize how the data are moving into and out from the stack. Then you have a section where the various operation of stacks are implemented as button. For example, if you want to insert some element into the stack, you have to click this push button. It will prompt you to enter the number which you want to insert. I want to insert the number 6. After entering the input, click the submit button so that data is moved into the stack, and the top is currently the inserted element. Again, if you want to insert some element, you can keep pressing the push button. So now I inserted 3 elements, and you can see the corresponding code for push is highlighted here, and the notification will come on the top part. If you want to remove some element from this stack, you have to click the pop. Pop will remove the top element from the stack. That is this last in first out order. So it's showing that the popped element is 3, and the corresponding code will be highlighted during the program execution. If you want to search for the presence of any element in the stack, you can go for the search button. You can enter that element. I want to search for 5. 5 is not here. So you can see that the search code is highlighted here, and it is searching on the stack, and it is outputting that 5 is not found in the stack. So then you can terminate this program by clicking the quit button. So that's all in this video. Thank you.